In this video, I will be solving the reverse 3 problem of the Array-1 section. Here is the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright. So in the reverse 3 method, we will be given an integer array nums of length 3, and we just need to return a new array with the elements in the reverse order of the nums. Let's use these examples to understand the problem better. So when 1, 2, 3 is passed inside the reverse 3 method, the resulting array is 3 to 1, which is basically the reverse order of the nums array. Similarly, 5, 11 and 9 results in 9, 11 and 5, and 7, 0, 0 results in 0, 0, 7. So now how can we solve this problem? One thing which we can say for sure is that the resulting array would also be having the exactly same length as that of nums. So we can define a resulting array, something like int result is equal to new int, and define the length as int len is equal to nums dot length and use it here. So now we have defined the resulting array with length is equal to 3. Now how can we fill the resulting array? So if we see, the resulting array need to be filled from the reverse order of the nums array. We can use a standard for loop for this thing. And for those who don't know, the in for loop we are allowed to use multiple indexes or multiple variables as well to maintain the indexes. So if we use one variable I to maintain the index for the resulting array, for filling the 0th index, 1 index, 2 index and so on, and if we use another index something like j to maintain the element that has to be captured or that has to be in the exact reverse order of the nums array. By doing this, our problem would be solved. How to do that? Let's see. First of all, we will define int I is equal to 0. It will start from the 0th index, and j would be starting from length minus 1. Why length minus 1? Because if you see here, 3 is at index 2, 9 is at index 2, and length is 3. That's why len minus 1. I should always be less than len, and j should always be greater than or equal to 0, because j would traverse from or range from 2, 1 or 0. Hence it can equal to be 0 as well or should be greater than 0. And we must increment I by 1 and decrement j by 1. Now we just need to write result of I and fill that value with nums of j. Here basically j is starting from the reverse order or from the last element. Len minus 1 means 2. Hence result of 0 is equal to nums of 2. Result of 1 is equal to nums of 1. And result of 2 is equal to nums of 0. This would be the result. Now let's return back the result and see by executing the test cases. Yes, all are passing. Let me submit this on the platform and then I will discuss one more approach with you. Yes, working fine. If we observe here carefully, there is one relationship between this I and j. What is that relationship? Whenever I is 0, j is 2. When I is 1, j is also 1. When I is 2, then j becomes 0. Or if we are having index I, then j is nothing but n minus I minus 1, where n is the length of the nums array. Let's see, if I is 0, n will always remain 3 in each of the case. So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. When I is 1, then 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. And when finally I is 2, then we will be getting 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, which is nothing but this thing only. So we can use this logic as well to solve this problem. Let me comment this out and keep it for your reference and use the logic that we just discussed now. Of course, here we will only be needing the I variable. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than length, and I plus plus. Result of I is equal to nums of len minus I minus 1. Now let's again run the test cases to verify. Yes, still working fine. And if I will submit this code on the platform, it will also give us the same result only. Yes. Now let's finally push our code to GitHub. Two files added. Okay. No, not sum 3. This is reverse 3. Yes. GLG, reverse 3 solution added, and G push. Now verify the code has been uploaded successfully. Done.